What is going on, guys? Divoom actually sent me this brand new product that just came out. This is called the MiniToo. Yeah, I love their naming convention, by the way. The MiniToo. Now, the one thing that I did notice when they sent this to me was that look how retro it looks. Now, you already know that Divoom makes tons of retro product, right? But this right here is another level because it actually looks like one of those old those old PC. Look, it even has a little joystick right there. Anyway, it literally does everything that I love about Divoom, which is, you can show pictures on here. A bunch of clock faces. You can do pixel art on this thing. Anyhow, but now it's just a different look. Let's open it up. Let's test it out. Yeah, let's do it. If you're thinking about getting this as a gift, I totally recommend it because what it does is that it comes with a little nice gift bag like so. Divoom literally has set up their product line to where they all come with a little bag like this so that it looks like a nice gift. Braided USB-A to USB-C cord. Tons of stickers. Yeah, super cute. Oh, this looks so good in real life. Look at that. It says retro PC style Bluetooth speaker. There's a Divoom button right here. Here's the joystick that I was talking to you guys about earlier. Look at these keys. I love that the power, this might have been the power button. Maybe. There's different color than those. Anyway, you guys know that this is a speaker, right? So there's a volume button on here. There's a pause and play button on here. You can hook this up and pretty much you can play music off of here, off of your phone. I love so this is where the speaker sound is coming out of. And I love how it literally looks like my old PC, guys. Subwoofer in the back. Oh my gosh. SD card, so you can plug in SD card to view photos, or you can put MP3 on there. It'll play it through there. USB-C to charge this. That beautiful design back there. Yeah, looks like my old PC. Wow. You know this is gonna go on my desk. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and turn this one on and maybe set it all up. I think this is the power button over here actually. Nice. Oh, look at that. It even has the green screen. Oh, that looks good. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and set this one up, and then we are going to see if we can show you guys all the feature on here. All right, guys, so I have successfully connected the Bluetooth to my phone. Obviously, I already have my phone, the app on here because I have other Divoom device. So I just literally select the device on here. It just shows up with Bluetooth. And yeah, now it's connected. You can turn the screen brightness up and down if you want to. You can turn it off and on. So there's a power button right there. And then there's a bunch of other device function, which I won't go too deep into. There are games on here. There are a timer switch, which I'm going to set in a little bit because what I want to do is when I leave this thing on my desk, I want it to, let's say, turn on and turn off at certain times. So there's a timer switch right there. You got yourself some alarm, music, white noise. That's a new one that they've been adding into all of their products. Then there's the album that you can use it to show your photos. And you can literally create your own pixel art on here if you want to. But what I like to do is I like to go to the face, and then there's a face gallery. So now you can pick a bunch of different face. So you can see that this looks like a window screen right here in the background. Isn't that beautiful? And I press that, it changes for me right there. So it still looks like a window screen, except it doesn't have that nostalgia background. I think I can do like just a clock if I want to. So there you have it. Oh, that looks cool, by the way. You want a sleeping cat if you're one of those cat people. Now, cloud channel is a little bit different. I believe it just aggregates to the clouds and you get some random stuff. So those are the faces, right? Now, here's the big one, the beauty about this. Now you go to the community, you're the community and you get to pick a bunch of community stuff. So as you can see right now, it's loading in the photo that I am selecting. So a lot of these are Christmas kind of theme right now. Yeah, you literally just go and select whatever you want and it'll show up and it'll show you how it would look. So anyway, yeah, you select, it will appear on here. That's the best part about this right here, guys. If you want to do your own photo album and things like that, you can absolutely do that. But the reason why I got this is because of the pixel art, right? Yeah, there's tons of stuff. Then there's also stuff that I favorite. So let's say my Overwatch theme, my Super Mario, you know. I mean, these are things that I favorite because I love retro gaming. And it just loads up right away. Anyway, awesome product from Divoom, especially now that it looks so good. I mean, it looks like my old computer with the grate and everything. Love it. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. Can't wait for Divoom to come up with more product like this. It's one of the best company out there to get retro product from.